Today's lecture 19 of basic electronics is 78XS series and 7805 fixed voltage regulator.
Welcome to our channel Classfly Community. So today we will deal with a topic which is about voltage regulator, and we will specifically know about 78XX series and 7805 fixed voltage regulator. Okay, so before that we should know what is voltage regulator. See, a voltage regulator is an electronic circuit. What is a voltage regulator? It is an electronic circuit, that is, it will provide us electricity or the flow of current that provides a stable DC voltage independent of the load current. Whatever will be our load current, it will not be dependent on a DC voltage, that is a supply. Okay, and as well as a temperature and AC line voltage variation. Okay. So now see voltage regulator that supply a constant voltage regardless of change in load current. That means that whatever our load current will be, the constant voltage will not change. Voltage regulator are versatile. It can be act as very differently. It is inexpensive, that is its cost will be less, and it has different features, and present on it is a programmable output, that is the features are programmable output, current voltage, boosting, internal, short circuit limiting. Okay, so see, now we will know about fixed output voltage regulator. See, fixed output voltage regulator is a linear regulator. That means its impedance doesn't vary with the supply. So we will know about the positive voltage regulator in this series. That is, first of all, the diagram looks like it has a 3-terminal positive voltage regulator. That is, it has 3 parts. This one is our input, this one is the ground, and this one is the output. Okay, now we will deal with 78XX, how this happens. See, 78XX series, this XS denotes the output voltage. 78XX series is a 3-terminal positive output voltage. That is, it will have a circuit like this: one input, one ground, and one output. Okay, and here XS indicates the output voltage. What I told, that this one will state as output voltage. These regulators are available in 7 different output voltage options. That is, this XS has 7 options, that are 5, 6, 8, 12, 15, 18, 24. So if it will be 7805 series, then it will have 5 volt as output. If it will have 7806 series, then it will have the output as 6 volt, respectively for all other voltage. So for an example, we see that thus if we select a regulator IC number 7812, this one, it provides us a 12 volt regulated output voltage. That means if this is a 7812, that means our output voltage will be 12 volts. See, I have made a table for this also. Our IC number is 7805, so our output voltage will be 5 volt. If our IC number is 7806, then it will be 6 volt. If the IC number is 7808, then it will be 8 volts. And if the IC number is 7812, then it will be 12 volt. If the IC number is 7815, then it will be 15 volt. If the IC number is 7818, it will be 18 volt, and respectively for 7824 and 7824, it will be 24 volts. Now we can see a diagram. As I said, it will have one input, second will be the ground, and third will be the output. So this is the ground, and in the input there is a CI, that is a capacitor. This is basically when the filter is very far from the input, and this is also C0, that is the output is. Now see, in the output also there is a capacitor, so it will tell us the varying part. and it will improve the transient response. Okay, so now we will deal about 7805. Okay, so now we will deal with the 7805 voltage regulator. Okay, so here similarly we have one input, one output, and here we have two resistance, and both of them has 10 ohm, and this will also have 10 ohm. Okay, here we will find, we know that the current, we have to find the voltage, we have to find the load current. So we will write IL equal to VR. VR is the voltage across this resistance by the total R into our IQ. Here our IQ is the quiescent current. Okay, so from this we will simply get a value which is 0.5 ampere. Now we will get our output voltage. How we will find our output voltage? Our output voltage is denoted with V0. So it is a combination of the voltage across here, that is the VR, plus the voltage, that is the load voltage, that is the Vin, and our Vin, that is our input voltage. What will be our input voltage? Our input voltage will be V0 plus dropout voltage. See, whenever we have a Vin, we have a dropout voltage, and we know that Vin minus V0 equal to 2 volts, which will be our dropout voltage. So our Vin total will be 12 volts. Simple. If our dropout voltage will be 2 volts, then our V0 will simply be what? Yes, simply be 10 volts. So basically this is what 7805 voltage regulator. It will have one input here and an output here with a dropout voltage of 2 volts, which will be Vin minus V0, and a capacitor in the input, and at the from the third and a second, which will be short circuited, we have two resistors, and we have a load voltage, and we will find here a voltage over this resistance to get a voltage output as well as quiescent current. So for today our lecture be till here. So be happy and have a great day.
Now it's the quote time. If you don't like the road you are walking, start paving another one. I think all of you understood today's lecture, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.